Hi friend, welcome to the company law update. Ministry of Corporate Affairs issued notification on the 20th January 2023 amending company's appointment and qualification of the directors rule 2014. This amendment called company's appointment and qualification of the directors amendment rule 2023 and effective from 23rd January 2023. As per the amendment in Rule 14 of the company's appointment and qualification of director Rule 2014, here is the amendment, and after amendment, what is the impact we analyze from the this notification. First amendment, in sub rule 1, after the words disqualification under the words brackets and figures subsection 1 or shall be inserted. The impact of this amendment: every director shall inform to the company concerned about his disqualification under subsection 1 of section 164 or subsection 2 of section 164, if any, in the form DIR 8 before he is appointed or reappointed. इम्पैक्ट क्या आएगा इसका इम्पैक्ट ये आया कि पहले तो 164 सबसेक्शन 2 का जो डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन था उसमें DIR 8 आपको फाइल करना पड़ता था. अब DIR 8 जो आपको फाइल करना है, DIR 8 जो है आपको अपॉइंटमेंट रीअपॉइंटमेंट का, ये 164 सबसेक्शन 1 के जो डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन दिए हुए हैं उस केस में भी आपको ये अपॉइंटमेंट ये फॉर्म DIR 8 आपको देना पड़ेगा. अगर सपोज रीअपॉइंटमेंट भी होता है. और DIR 1 का एलिजिबिलिटी क्या है आप देख सकते हैं. सेक्शन जब चेक करेंगे तो उसमें देखेंगे सबसेक्शन 1 में ए पर्सन शैल नॉट बी एलिजिबल फॉर अपॉइंटमेंट एज ए डायरेक्टर of a company if his unsound mind stands so declared by the competent court, he is undischarged insolvent, applied to be adjudicated as an insolvent, and his application is pending, convicted by the court and order disqualifying him appointment as a director. Or these are the disqualification criteria given in subsection 1. So here after this amendment, in form DIR 8, you shall intimate the disqualification under subsection 1 also. Next amendment, after sub rule 1, following shall be inserted. Here is the insertion sub rule 1A. In sub rule as per new sub rule 1A, whenever a company received the information in form DIR 8, company shall within 30 days of such receipt file with the DIR 9 with the registrar of the companies. Earlier there is no clause in the company's appointment and qualification of director rule. Now new sub rule 1A says that whenever a company received the information in form DIR 8, company shall within 30 days of such receipt file form DIR 9 with the registrar of the company. And in sub rule 5, after the word, letters and figure form DIR 10, the words and file before the regional director shall be inserted. Hence, after this amendment, the rule sub rule 5 read as any application for removal of the disqualification of the director shall be made in the form DIR 10. Now you read shall be made in the form DIR 10 and here form DIR 10 inserted by and file before the regional director is inserted. Now this form any application for removal of the disqualification of directors shall be in form DIR 10 file before the regional director. This is the amendment, and in our next year form DIR 10, DIR 3C, DIR 5, DIR 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 new form substituted with some amendment. You check out the full notification copy. Thank you so much.